Hello students, I have come with something new today. So let's see what it is. Let's read what's written on screen. The leaf of a tree. The leaf of a tree. What does that mean? It means there are some leaves. It means that there are some leaves that belong to this tree. Okay? Now what do we have to do? We have to find a way of saying the leaf of a tree in a different manner. Okay, how can we do that? We can do that by adding an apostrophe s. How can we do that? We can do that by adding an apostrophe s. What does that mean? Let's see. The leaf of a tree. Now if at all I want to rewrite these group of words using apostrophe s, then I'll write a tree's leaf. What did I do here? I added an apostrophe s. Okay, where I'm still saying that the leaf belongs to the tree. Let's look at one more. Tail of the cat. So what are we talking about? This tail of the cat. What does that mean? The tail belongs to the cat. Now I want to rewrite this using apostrophe s again. How will I do that? I will write the cat's tail. What did I do here? I added apostrophe s. Where am I adding apostrophe s? Am I adding it to the tail? No, I'm adding it to the cat. There is one tip which I will share with you after seeing one more example. Now look at this. The book belonging to Arya. Now this is Arya and this book belongs to her. Okay. So how will I write how will I write this group of words using apostrophe s? I will write Arya's book. Now see where have I added? Here. I have added apostrophe s. What have we done in all of these examples? One, we have shown that all of these things belong to someone or something. Belong. Remember this word, belong. Okay. What does this mean? Belong in English is also called as possess. So we are talking about something that someone possesses. For example, the book belonging to Arya. Instead of writing it the book belonging to Arya, we are using Arya's book. Instead of writing tail of the cat, we are writing the cat's tail. Instead of writing the leaf of a tree, we are writing a tree's leaf. Okay? In all of these cases, something belongs to something. Yes? Belongs. Yes? किसी का है वो. So, whenever we want to show that something belongs to someone, we usually add an apostrophe s to the noun. Okay. Look in this example. The book belonging to Arya. Arya's book. Now you will say, ma'am, but how will I know whether I have to add the books Arya or Arya's book? It can get confusing. I understand that. But first you have to remember, what does it mean? Is Arya belonging to the book? No, the book belongs to Arya, right? That is one way in which you have to see. Second tip in grammar, I want you to remember this, is that whenever you come across these type of phrases, look at the words belong, of, belonging. Look for these words in the phrases. Belong, of, belonging. What does that mean? Look at this phrase. The leaf of a tree. So first, you have to figure out if the word of, belong or belonging has been used. Is the word of used in this? Yes. So I've circled of. Now the second step is to find out which noun comes after of. Which is the noun that we can see that has come after of? It is tree. So what we will write is a tree's leaf. Okay. So whenever you see that a noun comes after this word, will hold the apostrophe s. Okay. Look at this example. Tail of the cat. What is the first step? We will look at the word of. Now, which noun is coming after the word of? Cats. Right? So, we will put the apostrophe s to the word cat. The cats, and which is the noun occurring before of? Tail. So, the cat's tail. What about the third one? The book belonging to Arya. Like I said, this word has come in the phrase the book belonging to Arya. So, look at this word and then see which noun is coming after this word. The noun after belonging is Arya, right? So, the apostrophe s will be written next to Arya. Arya's book. Arya's book. Book is the noun occurring before belonging. So, this noun will come after apostrophe s. Okay. Just remember this, we'll revise once again. Belong means possess. Possession is shown by adding apostrophe s. What does this mean? This is called as apostrophe s. Okay. This, you see this is called as an apostrophe. Okay. I hope you remember this from your first standard. And because all of these words are showing us something that belongs, something that someone possesses, these are known as possessive nouns. Okay. So this was the introduction to our new topic, possessive nouns. Let's look at some more examples in the next video. If you've liked this video, then like, share and subscribe to the channel.